If you're looking for a unique adventure on Kauai, visit Kauai Backcountry Adventures for some mountain tubing.
This is Mount Waialeale, right? The rainiest spot in the world.
In the world.
Really cool, right? It gets about 450 inches of rain, the top of there, on average per year. All right, so if you guys are ready to start the nature walk, start right here. So Chinese timber bamboo, when it's first starting out, grows about 6 to 8 inches a day. Crazy, yeah. And it's actually a member of the grass family. This plant, the taro plant, it actually turns water into mercury. What? Really cool, right? This is sugarcane. Grows about 11 to 20 feet in height, about 2 inches in diameter. Over this way you can see we have 3 sluice gates, and those gates are what we're using to control the water levels. We usually keep the water at about 3 feet deep on average.
Now I'm going to show you guys your mode of transportation for today. Non-motorized mode of transportation will be your flotation device right here, aka your water tubes. Now this is the safest way that you can sit, okay? I want you guys to stay like this the whole ride. I'll let you guys know when you guys can kind of reposition. One of the first commands that I want you guys to follow is lights on, lights off. So I want you guys to try it on right now. Make sure that you guys can turn your lights on and off with your gloves on, okay? All right, so you guys can head down there, and we got some tubes waiting for you guys, all right?
All right. So I grew up in the Black Hills, and we had lots of rivers, and I tubed a lot, but I've never tubed in an irrigation ditch from our sugar plantation. That was pretty cool.
It's pretty cool, isn't it? It's very, very unique. What happened 150 years ago, they hand dug these irrigation canals that they used to water the sugarcane fields. You know, the sugarcane industry is kind of what put Hawaii on the map back in the day. So what's cool about these, we call them ditches, by the way. What's cool about this ditch system is when they got to these big mountains, they couldn't go around them, so they would go right through them.
So how long is the tubing course?
So the actual tubing course, we use 2.5 miles of the old Honolulu ditch. And in that 2.5 miles, there's 5 different tunnels. The longest tunnel is actually about 3/4 of a mile long. So you know, you're in that one for about 15, 20 minutes.
That's a fun tour. I love going to the tunnels. You really have no idea what's coming.
Exactly.
But you do have the headlamps.
Yes, yes.
Which make you look kind of cool, too.
Yep.
All right, man.
All right, brother.